guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok videos not eligible for the For You feed. First thing first, make sure that your TikTok application is updated. Head over to your Play Store or your App Store and then here type in TikTok. If you see update, tap on update. If you see open, open it. Now get logged into your specific TikTok account where you're having that problem. Now this problem arises when you try to copy other videos and post it. If I go ahead, save this video and repost it in my feeds, there's a chance the video will be banned and it will say that the video is not eligible for the For You feed. That means you should not copy other people's content. Now, if you're not doing that and if you're still facing that problem, do this to fix your problem. Tap on three bar icon, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll all the way below, Report a Problem. Account and Profile, select Profile Page. Tap on Other. Wait for this page to get loaded, then tap on Need More Help. Then here you have to type in your specific problem. Make sure to be very specific and type in that even though you are following all the rules and regulation of TikTok, your video is still being shown as eligible for You feed. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt in order to fix your problem.